Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to yet another video of another empty retail place. This time we're at an old grocery store that's closed down. This was a Safeway. I think Safeway is mostly just in Canada. I'll have to look into that. Anyway, this one is just sitting here empty. Doesn't look like there's much going on. Not sure why it closed. There is another Safeway not too far away at the Sherwood Park Mall, which I just did a video at that you'll probably have already seen or will be seeing soon. So we're gonna just go check this place out. We can kind of look in the windows. Looks like maybe there's some stuff being gutted out of there, so I don't know what it looks like, but we'll check it out and see what we can find. Okay, here is the old Safeway grocery store. You can see where the logo was up there on the wall. They've got the entrances fenced off just to deter people, I guess. And it looks like they're gutting this place out pretty good. Let's take a look inside. Oh my goodness, wow. It is really gutted out. There's like a cart corral or something, I'm not sure. Got some temporary lighting in there. So yeah, they are working on this. Wonder if they're gonna put something different in here, or I mean, I can't imagine this building's that old. That's kind of a look inside there. We'll go down, see what we can see at the other side here. These windows have the blinds down on them, so we'll be seeing a lot in there. We can look in here. It'd be kind of funny if somebody was actually working in here and I was pointing my camera in there, but it doesn't look like anything's happening today. Yep. So fairly gutted out. There's something, signs on that door, but I can't read what they say, so. The general view here. Go for a walk. We'll go around the back. I'll cut it off here for a sec because there's nothing to see on this side. Here we are at the back side. I have to walk really slowly because it's super icy. I'm not gonna walk all the way to that. But yeah, some debris there. Obviously they've been throwing stuff out those doors. Garbage bin. Yeah, we'll go down to the sidewalk and go walk along the side of this. Okay, so the loading bay was just right there. Not sure what this is. It's probably like a garbage area or something. Yeah, this is the back of it. You get the idea. Going back up the other side here again, not really anything to see here, but I'll leave the camera on for this. Why not? Feel free to skip forward if you want. Just taking advantage of this awesome weather we're having right now. It's the start of February and you wouldn't know it. It feels like end of March already. But you know, It's the way it goes sometimes. So this is a pretty busy road here, so I don't know if this store was having other issues or if it just wasn't making sales or what. Back at the front now. This is the other main entrance on this side. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's about all there is to see here though. Well, probably another pretty short video again, but yeah, there's only so much to see at these places and they're far and few between sometimes, so we do what we can. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that short little tour. I have no clue what they're doing with this place. I'm not going to call it abandoned because clearly they're working on it. So anyway, thanks for checking this one out, and we'll hopefully see you again soon.